Language is a fascinating tool, isn't it? It's how we express our thoughts, share stories, and connect with the world around us. One important concept is direct and indirect speech. Understanding both is crucial for effective communication. So, let's dive into the world of direct and indirect speech together. Let's start by getting crystal clear on what direct and indirect speech actually are. These two forms of speech are fundamental in both written and spoken communication, and understanding them can greatly enhance your ability to convey messages accurately. Direct speech is like a recording. It's the exact words someone said, enclosed in quotation marks. This method captures the speaker's original tone and intent. For example, imagine your friend says, "I love learning new languages." This is a direct quote, capturing their enthusiasm and exact wording. If you were to repeat this to someone else using direct speech, you would say, "My friend said, I love learning new languages." Notice how the exact words are preserved. See how the quoted words stay exactly the same. This is the hallmark of direct speech. Now let's contrast that with indirect speech, which is a bit different but equally important. Indirect speech is more like a summary. It conveys the same message but allows for more flexibility in wording. You're conveying the same message but you're not bound by the original words. This can be useful in many contexts. Instead, you're paraphrasing, using your own words to express the same idea. This allows for more natural integration into your own speech or writing. Going back to our previous example, using indirect speech, you might say, "My friend told me that she loved learning new languages." The essence is the same, but the wording is different. Notice how the quote marks are gone, and the sentence structure has changed slightly. This is a key feature of indirect speech. Both direct and indirect speech have their own time and place in communication. Knowing when to use each can make your communication more effective. Direct speech is great for adding drama, emphasizing a point, or simply conveying someone's words as they are. It brings the original speaker's voice to life. Indirect speech, on the other hand, is useful for summarizing conversations, reporting what someone said, or blending someone else's words seamlessly into your own writing or speaking. It offers a more fluid way to integrate information. Throughout this series, we'll explore the rules and nuances of transforming direct speech into indirect speech, equipping you with the skills to navigate between these two forms of speech with ease. You'll learn how to maintain the original meaning while adapting the form. So buckle up and get ready to unlock a new level of fluency and precision in your English communication. This journey will enhance your ability to express yourself clearly and effectively.